Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect Bluetooth in your Ford Fusion. First, ensure your vehicle is safely in park and running. Next, grab your mobile device and turn on its Bluetooth function. Then, navigate to your car's sync system display. You'll want to access the main menu to begin the pairing process. This initial setup is crucial for a smooth connection, so take your time with each step. We're aiming for a seamless link between your phone and your vehicle's audio system. Once you are in the sync menu, select the option to add device. Your vehicle's screen will then display a unique 6-digit PIN. Simultaneously, on your mobile phone, search for available Bluetooth devices and select Ford Sync. You will then be prompted to confirm that the PIN on your phone matches the one on your car's display. Confirming this ensures a secure connection. After confirmation, your phone's name should appear on the vehicle's screen, indicating a successful pairing. Now that your device is connected, you can easily make and receive calls. You can use voice commands by pressing the voice button on your steering wheel or simply use the touchscreen to dial. If you encounter any issues, first check that your phone's volume is turned up. Also, ensure your sync system software is up to date. Sometimes a quick update resolves connectivity problems. A stable connection makes communication on the go much safer and clearer. Beyond calls, your connected device allows for media streaming, so you can enjoy your favorite music or podcasts. You can also access text message functions directly through the sync system. Your Ford Fusion can typically store up to 12 different paired devices, making it convenient for multiple drivers or passengers. Remember, always prioritize safety. Use these features responsibly and keep your focus on the road ahead. Enjoy your enhanced driving experience.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.